Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friend, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability educator at Entry App. So guys, I am ibps.in website and I am here to give a quick update to you. So guys, here you can see the click here for a mock test for a officer, for the post of officer scale first. So IBPS has given us a new link where the updated panel of a mock test is given. So let us click on this key. What is the updated panel? What are the new updates in the panel? So guys, here click here for a mock test for a post of officer scale first. So guys, if you will click here, then you can see key state is given guys. First and foremost, we have to select the state from which we are. Okay, so for example, you are from Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so Uttar Pradesh, then Jammu and Kashmir and Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so because in both the state, what is the common language? One is Hindi and Urdu. Okay, so guys, if you will click on go, then obviously guys, you have to click on sign in guys. Okay, so guys, here next and select English and Hindi or English and Urdu. So guys, this is what basically IBPS is doing. Just because of that, you have seen कि IBPS clerical exam has been postponed just because of the language issue. And now we saw कि there is a new panel of the mock test. And now guys, English or Hindi. So obviously we are from Uttar Pradesh, English and Hindi, and from Jammu and Kashmir, then English and Urdu. For example, English and Hindi. I am ready to begin. Okay, I have clicked on. I am ready to begin. And then guys, let's see. So question is there in the English and in the Hindi also. Option are also given in English and Hindi first. So this is what guys I wanted to give you a quick update. You can check it on ibps.in website. For example, let's see for another state guys. Let us check for another state. Okay. So for example, you are from Kerala. Okay, Kerala. Let us click here, go and sign in. So guys, what will be the language of the Kerala guys? Let's see what IBPS will show here. So here English and Hindi and English and Malayalam, because obviously Malayalam language is being spoken in the Kerala. So guys, here we can select English and Malayalam. So question will be displayed in English as well as Malayalam. So I am ready to begin. I have clicked on this. Guys, here you can see the question is there in English first and then Malayalam language, and in option also in English and Malayalam language. So you can check it on ibps.in website. There is an important update like new exam panel mock test has been there. आप उस पर click करके you can check it out guys. So this is what guys I wanted to give you a quick update in this video. This is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the exam guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.